Do you want a picture like this? Make sure that you stay tuned for the end of this video so you can also know how to make this really cool picture. Hello, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox GFX graphics. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into Roblox Studio. Once you're in Roblox Studio, what you want to do is you want to click on View tab, and you make sure that the Explorer tab and the Properties tab are open. Second thing you want to do is click on Plugins over here, and you want to load in the character. I'll link it in the description below, and type in your character. So I'm just going to type in my character real quickly. You can type in anyone's character, and yeah, for the GFX graphics. So now I'm going to spawn in R15, and here's my character over here. So now what you want to do is in the properties tab over here, where it says name, you want to delete the name and make sure there's no name. So when you're making the GFX graphics, the name won't be highlighted there. So then the next thing I want you to do is click on the home tab and insert a part which is neon and green for our green screen. So now I'm going to make it really big so we can put the character on the green screen. So now I'm just going to rotate this character, real quickly, and then place it on the green screen. So yeah, sorry guys, I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, just had a little break, but I'm back to making videos, so it's all good now. Anyway, so once you've put your character on the green screen, what you want to do is open it up and change a few things. So you can make the leg go this way, or you can tilt the arm another way. So right now I'm just going to make the leg go sideways, and I'm going to time lapse it. Alright guys, once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to take a screenshot. So I'm going to delete the Explorer and the properties for now so we can have full screen when we're taking the picture. So now you want to click on the View tab over here, zoom in nice and close, and you want to click Screenshot. And once you've hit it, so I've hit it now, you want to open the output, and then it says here Screenshot saved, click here to open Screenshot folder. So now what you want to do is click over here, and you want to go into your desktop and drag it into the desktop. So it's really simple. So now that you have your GFX over here, really realistic, you can add light if you want to. You want to open GIMP 2.10. So you don't have to do this. You can skip the video from now, but if you want to change the background, then stay tuned. So now open. I'll link this in the description below. You want to open it, and I'll tell you what to do from there. Once you're in GIMP 2.10, what you want to do is you want to right click, hover over file, and you want to open your picture. So I'm going to go to my desktop and select the picture over here. Alright guys, once you have opened your picture in GIMP 2.10, what you want to do is you want to select this tool and you want to double click. So then, and then after you want to delete the background, so it'll be nice and white. So let's delete this as well. And then after you want to right click, you want to hover over edit, and you can fill it with a pattern. So you can change the pattern over here. I'm going to change it to a nice, let's see, nice background over here. And then after you want to do the same, just hover over edit and then fill with pattern. So let me just select this whole area. Fill it with this pattern, so it looks really good now. And then you can also add some text if you want to. So I'm going to add a text that say join. So yeah, you can add the text over here. So I'm just going to do that real quickly. Alright guys, once you added your text over here, you can scale it, you can do whatever you want with the text. What you want to do is right click, and you want to hover over edit, and then you want to go down, you want to go hover over file, and then you want to go down to export as, click over there, and you want to save your image. So I'm going to save it as testing. So once you save it as PNG, you want to click export over here, and click export over here as well, and then after it has been saved to your desktop. Now once you've done that, here's the image over here. I meant that's not the image. Where is it gone? So here it is. testing PNG. So now it's over here. You can see here is the thing. So you can also cut out the side of here, like I'm going to do for Roblox thumbnail or a YouTube thumbnail. So it's really useful, and you can like do it at 225, yeah, 225 resolution. So anyways, guys, 225 or 225. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like the channel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful. And it's really simple to make these GFX. You can make it whenever you want, and you can actually make some profit off of it as a good Roblox thumbnail. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like to the channel. Hope you see you in another video, and goodbye.